welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're doing our Friday Freebie Special Edition. It's our calendar. So I've got this one in spiral bound, but you know, you can put it up on your fridge. You do whatever you want to do with it. I use them. I of course use my paper doll paper clips as well. And I use them. I just do. I print this one on the back so that I've got plenty of space to write. And then I use them this way. This is, you know, of course, February. This is what I'm working on. That's today. I haven't finished it yet, but it's written on my calendar, so I'm doing it today. So, yeah, you just, you know, but you have to use, you know, you don't have to use the paper clips, but I like them, so I use them. You use them however way you want to use them. So I've got this one bound this way so that I don't lose anything and I keep everything together, right? But I have one of these machines that does that. So again, I do, you know, a volunteer thing for a local church. So when you have machines and tools and toys, you know, use them because that's good. Okay, we're getting back here. This is what we're going to make today. Not that one. We already made that one. But, yeah, we're going to make our April one, right? Just so cute. We've already done March. I've been writing on mine. Just adorable. These are just the cutest things. I mean, really. I think I'm going to have to do one for next year, too. I've just had so much fun with doing these. So this is April. Okay. Just beautiful. April showers, so I put a little, you know, umbrella in there. Let's see, make sure I get in shot. Then we've got our writing on page. This is going to be our pocket page. I've got my printout done for that. We'll do that in a minute. Another writing page, and we've got our little girls with the umbrellas and the raindrops. Just beautiful, right? I think they're just gorgeous. Oh, we can't go there. That's May. Let's not go there yet. We're just on this one. Okay, let's get to our where we're going to put our pocket in. These are so pretty. And guys, you can do, you know, cut out your paper dolls. You can cut out the little paper dolls, the big paper dolls for sure. Remember I told you I'm putting them on my gallery wall? They're just beautiful. So let's do our cutout. What size did I do before? Let me see. I think it's 3. I don't know. I'm going to keep them all the same size. That's why I'm looking. Okay, here's our, you can't tell it's there, right? It's there. But you can't tell it's there. So, let's see. From there to there. So, to there. So, 3.5 is what we're doing. Okay, 3.5. Okay. Because we want 1/2 inch for our gusset, right? Okay. Right like so. Straight. Okay. Now, put that aside. We're going to go into scoreboard mode. I just love this calendar. I've had so much fun with it. It's beautiful, but it's also very functional, right? You can, you know, write on the pages. You can plan your day, your month, your week, your whatever you're going to plan. But it's also very pretty. It just is. So let's get that out of the way. Yep, we're just going to make our simple pocket like so. I use lightweight cardstock, 110 pound. So if that's of interest to you, that's what I'm using. I use that on, well, just about everything I do with cardstock is that. So I'm going to take off just a little there and then turn and go there. And same over here, just up to there and there. Also, I'm going to take that little wedge off because I don't want that peeking up. It would be white because, you know, oh, that one went over here. Let me get this out of the way now. Where's everything? Because I don't want anything hanging around to glue in the wrong place, right? I'm not inking this. I'm not even putting trim on it. I'm just putting it down so that it looks very hidden, but it's also a place to put things. So even when the year is up, if you've done this, you still have a really pretty book to put things in. However you want to bind it, you can sew it. You can glue it together. I've shown how to do that before on my channel, where you take all the pages and you stack them together and put clips on them and you put glue there. You can do that. You can. So however you want to do it, add it into a journal. Make it a journal. I mean, you know, calendars are in journals. They definitely are. Okay. There we go. Now we're just going to line this up as best we can. It doesn't have to be perfect because there's a lot of things that can draw the eye somewhere else to where it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? But we're going to line it up and get it on there as straight and lined up as we can, okay? That's what we're going to do. Okay, let's turn this down here. We're going to line it up with her leg, his legs, and her dress. And make sure you get it just tweaked just like that, so that you've got everything down here, right? And these are meeting up. Because if these don't meet up, that would make it a little bit obvious that it's a pocket there. But yeah, we don't lose any of the pretty because, yeah, we're stacking the image, right? And that makes it pretty. I think it does. I'm going to turn this underneath now for a moment so I can turn this around. Just so much pretty. Just so much pretty. And we're going to tuck this underneath there. I love the way it lines up. Look, even that handle on the water can is lined up. You really won't be able to tell that this is a hidden pocket. When you turn that page, you go, you know, oh, that's pretty, go on. But it's a pocket, yeah? So I think that's cool. Let's get this one on there. Just so cute, so pretty. And it'll be a good place to put, I don't know, whatever you want to put. You can put receipts in there, bills, you know, we all have those, things like that. Yeah, whatever you want to put. And now you can just about not tell that it's there. I love that you can stack the image and it's still pretty. You didn't lose anything, but you've got a pocket now. So as you put things in there, it's still pretty, but you know. Anyways, I think it's adorable. You guys, whether you're making the pocket or not, it's still going to be a really beautiful calendar. And we've got April. April showers bring Mayflowers, right? So, of course, I had to put showers, little light showers, not, you know, bad showers, but light showers in there. You can write some really cool stuff here and here. Cut out your paper dolls when the month is done or you're done with your book. And put them on some canvas boards and hang them on your wall. That's what I do. I've got a bunch on my wall. I have to get some more and show you guys next time. If I can remember, I will. Because I've got a lot more paper dolls that I'm working with. And I've got them on canvas boards. And some of them are waiting their turn to get up on the wall. But, you know, that's okay. No, we're not going to May. We're just staying in April with the, you know, the prettiness of April. Put your pocket on. Use them however you want. I mean, they're really just, they're beautiful. You can plan out your stuff, write down your appointments, and smile, because that'll make you smile, right? Or if you do videos, you can do like I do and put them in this, you know, like this, and have all your months laid out. I've got my paper doll on the side for the month that I'm working on. Oh, there's another one. Anyways, they're just too cute not to use. So, yeah. Then you write out what you're doing on the video and get everything sorted out in your head. And to me, if I write it down, it makes it more real. I don't know. Does that make sense? But yeah. So, yeah. Do your stuff. Make your pretty things. This will be on my website, the Facebook group page, and the Ko-Fi page for free. You do have to join the Facebook group page if you're going to get it from there. Because they have certain rules, and I like to keep everything safe and secure. So, adorable, right? It's too cute. All right. I'll quit saying that now. You guys go make something pretty today. You got lots of stuff to make pretty things with. If you don't want to do the calendar, this still has loads of options. Okay? Loads. Beautiful. Take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.